I'm going to show you how to insert checkboxes. So if you'd like to make a roll-up or something like that, where either you want to do that, check something off yourself, or you want to mark a roll, this is how you do it. So you create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. I've just randomized names. I've got them off a random name generator, so these aren't any particular students of mine. So you'd set your spreadsheet up here with all your borders, things like that. Now, this is really easy to do. So you highlight the cells that you want to put the checkbox in. You go to Data, and where it says Data Validation, click that. Now, it tells you the cell range. Now, click the drop-down menu here, and you select Tick Box, and then you just say Save. And what you see now, we have a whole series of checkboxes. So that's a very quick, very easy way to make checkboxes for a spreadsheet.